So friends, today we are at Source India. They are from Ahmedabad, Gujarat, and Source India is a very known name in Hannover Messe because this is the 10 plus time they are exhibiting at Hannover Messe. And one of the popular figure in Hannover Messe is Arnie. We will make you to meet Arnie. So this is Arnie. We have seen that before also. Many people are coming and taking pictures, So this became a selfie point, or this became a very interesting point for many people, and it's for many years. Source India is bringing this Arnie robot here. And one speciality is that, this is all made of investment casting. From 30 grams to 1,000 plus 3,000 kilograms of investment casting is what Source India do. So this also shows the kind of capability what Source India can provide through final machined investment casting products, components for its customers. So we are having with us Jidesh ji. Jidesh ji is also a very known person in the Indian European sector, because I used to meet Jidesh ji almost before 2004.
Yes.
When I started my entrepreneur journey, that was the time, there was the CBI from Netherlands who supported him. That time I have met him, and it's a long journey, and very happy to connect again when we were coming to Hanover.
Same here.
Yeah. I have seen last couple of days, every time people are there with this Arnie.
Yeah.
So it became an icon of Hannover Messe.
Yeah, it's a unique idea, concept just to stop the people and showcase our products and assembling the way that it's unique and people like to see it. So it's indeed unique and people stop by, and we see that many contacts, they stop by, they ask us for the more details for the products and send the inquiries also. We are happy about it.
Yeah, I think this is a kind of a marketing strategy now. Maybe first it was kind of capability showing.
Yes.
Now it became a, your marketing strategy.
And apart from that, people appreciate that people from India can do like this. So that's something we proud of it. That apart from the marketing and benefit to Source India, people in Europe recognize India as a capable state for supplying and innovations.
See, I was traveling, I was moving around many halls here. So there are many countries which have big pavilions and big companies, but comparatively the participation from India maybe around 150 plus stalls, including the EPC. But there are a couple of stalls which is having a decent way of presenting their stuff. You were with Hannover Messe for so many years, and you were also very critical point of helping many Indian companies.
Yeah.
But still, why, when India have the power in manufacturing, why we are not able to see that reflect in the Hannover Messe? What do you feel? What is the reason?
I think after the COVID system and thinking has changed. 2 years Hanover was not organized, and after that now we started from last year. It was in June, and this year again. So more people, more companies compared to the last year. But still people are not ready for it. Maybe it's growing, and next year we can see more companies, and also more companies from India as well.
But this is a time when India is having more demand, right? I came here in Germany. I'm understanding there are a lot of challenges they are going through. Gas, there is a scarcity because of the war, and China plus one policy. They are looking at countries which can give them right kind of quality with less, and India is one of the best option for them.
Yeah.
So.
Companies from India has to tap the potential, and I think more and more companies should participate in exhibition like this, which fits to their product, and it's indeed a good market, and India has potential to tap that market.
Sir, when we talk about Source India, now you are participating in Hanover more than 10 times. So, what are the kind of solutions you are giving for the global market?
We are happy with the market here, and then we are showing the parts which we make it for the various sectors, including oil and gas, earth movers, for pumps, for valves. So we are just focusing our capabilities, and we are very flexible, and we have a lot of options. We do different materials: steel, stainless steel, alloy steel, high alloys, also the aluminium and iron. So customers or global markets, companies in global markets has a possibility to find all the requirements from one source. That's a message from us, and that we convey a message from our side to companies in India, companies in Europe, and elsewhere.
I think you make investment castings.
Yeah.
That is the way
Investment casting and sand casting. Yeah.
and both castings. Through castings, you provide the finished components.
Finished component.
And for all these industries, be it automotive, be it defense, be it earth moving,
Earth moving,
oil and gas, and all
pumps,
valves, and all those things. So, and what is the range? It is from 50 grams to 3000 kgs.
We make small castings like this, which is about 50 grams.
Okay.
And even we can make castings up to 1 ton and different materials, and up to 5 ton.
5,000 kgs.
5,000 kgs. You can see the castings here. It is about 1.4 ton castings, 1,400 kilogram castings. So we make castings up to 5,000 kilogram.
What is this yellow color component? Is it again?
This is a special part for marine applications. It's made of carbon steel. It looks very nice, and we do hard facing on it. And it's customer is more than 20 years old for this part.
Okay. So how is the response, and what you are expecting from this exhibition?
We are looking forward to meet contacts we have every year. We have many friends and customers, and also the potential customers. Apart from that, we are also looking for new contacts and new requirements. And as we see that, we heard that now many countries and many companies are looking for a China Plus One policy. So that's a market for us. That's a chance for us. So we want to capitalize on that possibilities.
Now, along with Source India, you also have the quality perspective. That also the precision.
Inspection India.
Precision Inspection India. So what is it that we are offering there?
Actually, we are doing that these services through the company, quality management, quality assurance, and supplier management through many years. But that is under the umbrella of Source India. But now it's a separate company. We are making a separate setup and separate company. And so many companies, as many European companies or other companies, as a supplier in India, but they are not happy with the quality, or maybe they are not able to manage quality. So then this company can help. This company can help customers in Europe to manage quality of the suppliers in India. In India.
Oh, that's amazing.
And apart from that, what happened that they are very far away, and there are some cultural differences between European culture and our Indian culture. So we help the companies to improve in terms of supplier management. We give them training, we give them help in improvement of quality, improvement of packing, improvement of concept. So that's the idea to launch this company separately. So we help the companies in Europe for quality assurance inspection and supplier management.
And also it's kind of bridging the gap, right? I believe,
Exactly.
For the Indian companies also to come to the level of the expectation from the European market.
Yeah, exactly. Sometimes what happens that companies in India, they don't have any problem in improving or giving some more, but they don't know what exactly the requirement is. So we are trying to bridge the gap and make the company in India exportable and to meet the requirement of the European customer.
So basically, any Indian companies who would like to export, many people are now looking at, how to get the business from outside. So they can also get in touch with you where your expertise can be shared with them.
We can definitely help them.
That is something very interesting to know. Thank you very much.
Thank
you. If you can just introduce your other team members and...
We have a Nimish.
Okay.
He's looking after quality.
Okay.
So maybe you can
Talk to him.
ask him. Yeah, talk to him.
Thank you, Nimesh. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. How's you?
I'm doing good. Is this the first time you are coming to Hannover, or you are a regular person like Jidesh ji?
I am the regular person. This is second time for me here.
So how is the response at Hannover Messe now?
This time Hannover Messe is good for us because the traffic is very high and the visitor chances is more for us. So we got some more inquiries for this time for the different segments, and we have some new prospect for the European buyers. For the inspection quality regarding the company name is Inspection India.
Okay.
And in this site we offer the quality inspection services, process monitoring, and the supplier management to the European buyers who are purchasing from India. So we can help them for the quality product regarding.
See, for European companies, quality is a very important factor.
Yeah.
So, how an Indian company can, reach up to that level? What do you think? You work in the quality, right?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, we know what European buyer want regarding the surface finish, quality, in the point of view of the casting and the soundness of the casting. So we deliver the same quality, and we have already experience in the past because we are exporting since the 2000 to the Europe and even all over the world.
So, 23 years you are in the business.
Yeah, since long time we are exporting.
And see, these are some of the components you have exhibited here. So, this what is this? Like, it's a stainless steel.
Yeah, it's a stainless steel and it's a pump parts.
It's a completely investment casting, casting, right?
Yeah. We first cast it, then machine it, then we buffing finish it.
Okay.
Yeah. That means we do all the process from the casting to the finished product, and we also provide to ready to use parts that the customer can only fix it in applications.
So what are the kind of capabilities you have if we talk about, if a customer of European customer comes and asks that, okay, they can give you a drawing and then you give them the product, or how it is that?
The first, if the customer send us the drawing, then we can make the tools and then make the cast, and if they require machinists, we can do machinists for that. If the customer has no drawing, so we can ask for some parts.
Okay.
We do the reverse engineering also for the client, and we make the tools from the parts and we supply to the same to client.
So it is like kind of a new product development also, you have the capabilities.
Yeah, like the 3D printing, like.
So you have the complete range of manufacturing solutions in both Source India and precision inspection.
Yes,
India.
yes, right.
Okay.
Okay.
So any critical components you have displayed here like this, for what purpose this?
This one is aluminum die casting.
Okay.
It's very difficult to produce in the investment casting process, but we did in the investment casting. Nobody can make this type of casting in the aluminum casting in the lost wax process.
Okay.
But we did this thing.
And this is for different industries.
Yeah.
Is it a small, or this is the real component?
This is the real component.
Okay. And what is this particular product like?
This one is a product for the automotive industries.
Okay.
We are supplying to one of the best automotive companies, Scania. It's a pump.
In Europe?
Yeah, in Europe, yeah.
Okay. Oh, Scania is that, it's very heavy.
Yeah.
So Scania is the commercial, that big truck.
Yeah, big truck.
And this goes in that.
Yeah, there is a one cover in that part of the truck.
And so, see, this is a Make in India product which goes in an European automobile manufacturer.
Yeah.
So this is the proud moment for which we are coming here to showcase the capability of Make in India,
Yeah.
Thank you for sharing this information.
Yeah.
This will inspire many more people from India to manufacture more quality products so that, we can show our capabilities more.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Nimesh.
Welcome.
So I seen more European faces also in your stall. So which are the other members you are having,
One of them is Mr. Jan. Please come.
Hello, Mr. Jan.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Great to see you here. And how is your experience at Hannover Messe?
This year or in general? Or
You can talk in general,
Okay,
because
yeah.
you are here for a long time and we can hear your perspective more.
Yeah. Well, basically, when I'm talking about Source India, I see over the years a steady approach by European prospects, clients, and also a steady business. Both steady in the sense that it's steadily growing, and once they are a client, they normally remain a client. And I think that's a very good sign, because that means that they're satisfied with the quality, with the price.
It is the breaking the ice which we need to do, right?
Of course, yeah. The first contact is important. So you need to find out what the problem is the clients needs to have solved. So breaking the ice on a trade show, well, we have many people passing by. So you're right, you try to break the ice. So you try to start a conversation, and the conversation is, it has a few goals. First, you need to find out, do I actually want to talk to this person? Because most people you actually don't want to talk to, because they're not after castings or whatever. So with a simple open question, what are you doing? What is your business? You try to make a first scan. Do I want to talk to this person? Is it an interesting person for Source India or not? And if not, you say, okay, have a nice show, and you go to the next. It's a bit like factory work, actually. But then when you do meet someone you want to talk to, who is regularly buying castings, then you invite them to take a seat. And then you want to dig for information. You want to know, okay, what is it you're after? What type of castings? How many shipments a year, and how big are those shipments? And then the whole process of sharing specifications, sharing the drawings, and then we need to study. Can we do it? If we can do it, of course we make an offer, and then, well, then yeah, you often you happen to score it. Not always, but
You may have faced sometimes the questions from your customers here in Europe, maybe the doubt on the quality what an Indian manufacturer can give.
yeah.
And have you experienced something like that, or we were able to overcome with the kind of sustainable productivity we given?
Yeah. So in India, it's a huge country, as you know. So all the good and the bad you find there, and there are clients who have first-hand very bad experiences with Indians, but then even if they have that, at least you know they are in principle open to India. So then you start the whole conversation, and then the concept that Source India is offering is actually very good, because they work with various foundries. Each foundry has their own specialties, and what is actually very important is, if you cannot do something, just say, I cannot do it.
I cannot do it.
If you can do it, but you are not certain if you can deliver the quality in a consistent way, be open about it, because they will appreciate it, and you will find a way around it together. What many Indians do, they say, yes, I can do it, but then the shipment comes and it's not good. So better to be honest also if you cannot do something. That's very important, and that's actually something probably Indians don't expect it, but Europeans do appreciate that.
Jan, this is something you spoke very nicely with your experience. We don't know how to tell no as Indians. Everything we tell yes, but that itself becomes the biggest trouble point, because it is the biggest trouble what we have is the trust point. The trust you cannot just gain from that. It is a hard work.
Yeah.
Maybe Source India took more than 20 years giving that quality consistently, and they have told no wherever they need to tell no.
Yeah.
Right?
Correct.
And that is how the trust is building. And thank you, Jan, for sharing this perspective.
Yeah.
And I'm sure that many people who are watching this will see this as a helpful point. And I'm very happy to see that how Source India and Precision Inspection India is supporting the European market. And you play a very critical role in that. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So, it was a very nice talk we had with all these people here. But before closing this session, I cannot stop introducing you to one person whom I have seen very active, running around here and there and making people to come here and take the pictures with Arnie. And hi. What's your name?
Welcome, I'm Corey.
Corey.
Hi.
Corey, you are so busy with Arnie.
Yes,
You are giving life to Arnie, no?
of course.
Yeah.
He's a favorite here. Everybody loves Arnie.
Okay.
And people love taking photos. It's like a digital postcard to take home, so it's perfect.
Okay, when people, they ask any questions to you when they...
Sometimes
Yeah.
they actually ask, why is he here? So Arnie's made of different parts that we use in our castings. So, for example, we have a casting from the medical industry.
This one?
So, yeah, it's a hip joint.
Oh.
Of course, it would look a little bit different when
this-
it's used for your hip.
This I was
But
not
this
knowing.
is, yeah.
I'm
so-
already having a pain here in the hip.
Oh no, please don't, please don't. So yeah, he's made of different parts, and it's really interesting. A lot of students ask, those who are interested in the fields.
You
so,
love explaining this to the students, your customers.
yeah, what depending on their interests. Some just want to take a photo and then that's it, but that's fine too. So yeah, he looks pretty intimidating, but he's very soft and gentle.
Oh.
If you're nice to him, he's kind to you.
Okay, so next time when you come to Hannover Messe and Source India is going to be there, Arnie is going to be there, and Arnie's bestie, Corny is also going to be
Corey,
there.
yes.
Corey is also going to be there.
Of course, we welcome you.
Thank you very much for your time.
You're
and
welcome.
I wish you all the very best.
Thank you very much.
So friends, we are coming to the end of this real-time broadcast. Thank you for being with us. Stay tuned with Machine Maker, and for more updates about manufacturing from India as well as from the global, be with the voice of manufacturing. Thank you.